Hey babes, happy Tuesday! It's time for another quick tip. Today's tip, how to encapsulate dried flowers using dip powder. Let's get to dipping. For this look, we will begin with a normal dip application, starting with applying the bond to the natural nail and applying base to 3/4 of the nail, then dipping into natural powder. For the color today, I'll be using After the Rain, which is such a pretty pale blue. I'll apply base a hairline away from the cuticle, avoiding the sidewalls, and dip into my color, gently brushing off any excess as always. Now I'll apply base to the entire nail in a thin, even layer, then I'll dip into my color once more. Time for my flowers! I have them all right here and ready to go, and I've already broken them into smaller pieces. To start, I apply base to the entire nail and just start placing them using tweezers. I'm making sure to hold down gently with the tweezers so that they stay in place, but I also don't want my tweezers to touch the base, which could create dents in the nail. While that dries, I'll prep my recycling system with clear powder. Now that the flowers are secure, I'm applying base to the entire nail again and pouring clear over and brushing off any excess. If you're doing this on your own and your flowers are thicker than mine, you might need 2 layers of clear to fully encapsulate them. From here, I'll just continue with a normal dip application, applying Seal Protect, filing, shaping and buffing, applying Seal Protect again, rubbing the nail with a lint-free wipe to remove excess Seal Protect, applying top coat and letting it dry, and applying top coat once more. And finally, hydrating the cuticle with Nourish Oil. Such an easy look. Thanks for joining me today, besties. If you haven't done so yet, like this video and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comments what you want to see for our next Quick Tip Tuesday. Bye!